Ever dreamed of launching your own startup but felt overwhelmed by the challenges? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into some truly inspiring startup success stories that'll ignite your entrepreneurial fire. Let's kick things off with Airbnb. Did you know that before becoming a $31 billion company, Airbnb's founders were struggling to pay rent? They turned their living room into a makeshift bed and breakfast. And boom, the idea for a global lodging platform was born. The lesson? Sometimes the best business ideas come from solving your own problems. Now, let's talk Dropbox. Drew Houston came up with the idea after repeatedly forgetting his USB flash drive. He turned that frustration into a cloud storage solution that's now worth billions. The takeaway? Pay attention to your daily annoyances. They might just be million-dollar ideas in disguise. But it's not all smooth sailing. Take Slack, for instance. Before becoming the communication tool we know today, it was actually a failed gaming company. The team pivoted, focusing on the internal messaging system they'd built. Now, that's what we call turning lemons into lemonade. These stories teach us that success often comes from unexpected places. It's about being observant, adaptable, and persistent. Remember, every big company started small. Your idea could be the next big thing. But how do you start? First, identify a problem you're passionate about solving. Then, start small and validate your idea. Talk to potential customers, create a minimum viable product, and be ready to iterate based on feedback. As Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, said, "If you're not embarrassed by the first version of your product, you've launched too late." Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. Worried about funding? Many successful startups bootstrapped their way to success. MailChimp, now valued at billions, was self-funded for its first decade. It's proof that with creativity and determination, you can build something amazing on a shoestring budget. Remember, every startup journey is unique. Spotify's founder, Daniel Ek, started his first business at 14. Meanwhile, the creator of Geico didn't enter the insurance business until he was 50. Age is just a number when it comes to entrepreneurship. What these stories show is that success often comes to those who persist. Rovio, the company behind Angry Birds, created 51 games before hitting the jackpot with their 52nd attempt. That's the power of not giving up. So what's stopping you from starting your entrepreneurial journey today? Maybe it's fear of failure. But here's a secret. Every successful entrepreneur has failed at some point. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and moving forward. Your startup story is waiting to be written. Will you take that first step? Remember, every business empire started with a single idea and the courage to pursue it. Your success story could be next. So dream big, start small, and keep pushing forward. The world is waiting for your innovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you liked the video.